Okay, just a nice quick video to show you how to install one of our premium taps. The tap will come with some PTFE already on the threads. Use your drain key to remove the existing drain. Make sure that this nut is finger tight like this. This also will be done at the factory before it comes out. And then just carefully, nice and square, nice and straight, start to screw the tap in. There we go. Perfect. So that's nice and tight. If you need to reposition this further around, it's possible to undo this part of the hold, this part of the nut. If you do need to, you can hold that nut with a pair of grips or a spanner. Usually that's not necessary, and then that will allow you to turn the tap. And then retighten that nut. It only needs to be finger tight. So you need to hold the tap and finger tighten that nut.